Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Morrisburg Waterfront Trail in Morrisburg, Ontario. This picturesque trail is a haven for those who appreciate nature and history, providing a peaceful retreat along the banks of the St. Lawrence River. Morrisburg's past is evident along the trail, with remnants of Old Highway 2, once a vital route for settlers and travelers in Upper Canada. As one travels along the path, traces of the past, such as old stone fences and historic structures, can be seen, offering a glimpse into the area's rich heritage. The trail is not only a link to the past, but also a sanctuary for wildlife and bird watchers. The St. Lawrence River, which runs parallel to the trail, is home to a variety of aquatic and bird species.
Thank you very much.
The path is designed to be accessible and enjoyable for cyclists of all levels, with gentle slopes and well-maintained surfaces. Scenic viewpoints and picnic spots are scattered along the trail, inviting visitors to pause and enjoy the tranquil environment. The trail also connects to other local attractions such as the Upper Canada Village, where more of the region's history can be explored. Whether seeking relaxation or exploration, the Morrisburg Waterfront Trail promises a memorable journey. Thanks for watching!